Hello, my name is Tiana, and this short recording will be just a part of the tutorial about how to creating Google Docs as one of the means for collaborative work. In week 4, which is almost at the end, my colleagues from the team Challenger and I have to complete the creation of course for Moodle platform. So here we are in the document Challenger Syllabus Working. That's the title we gave it. And I'm speaking a little bit in a hurry because I want to use one specific feature to show it to you. As you can see here, this little eye symbol, that means that my colleague Ivona is using this document at the same time as me. Google Documents is one of the Google Suite tools that people can use, and this is fantastic for working online in especially when participants who are working together are not it's not possible for participants who are working together to be physically close to each other in the same office in the same city. Actually, Ivona is from Poland and I am from Serbia, and our third team member is from Croatia. So we are all in our respective countries, but we can work simultaneously. At this particular point, we haven't made the arrangement to work together, but it would be also possible. So in this case, I will scroll down through the document and find the little sign which will show me where Ivona is at the moment. So here it is. When you see this little line, it means that your colleague is working at the same time with you. I don't know whether she would write something or not. Independence Day was the topic that I am supposed to deal with. As you can see, at the moment it's empty. I will try to create some material for today because we today scheduled our meeting, and probably at that time we will be working at this platform on this document at the same time synchronously. So if it happens, I would probably make another recording to demonstrate that. The point is that Google Docs function the way that when you're writing, you highlight a part of the text and then you write when you, for example, have highlighted text, I click on it and this block on the right side pops up a little bit closer, and it tells me that Ivona wrote, "What do you think of this title?" Because we were thinking about a couple of possibilities. I answered. My email name is Play School English Studio, so that's the name which appears very often in some documents I share. Even though my name is Tiana, so I wrote comment and I clicked on that to stay. So if I want to change my comment, I can add it or delete it. I'm not going to do any of this because we are still in process of working. But to demonstrate how I can do something, for example, here is our dilemma about the length of the course. So she wrote 6 weeks. What do you think? I answered here, and then she oh, I didn't actually save it, sorry, my mistake. So Ella wrote it last night, but I didn't save it, so here is my comment, and Ivona also typed the answer. I can add here, for example, she's close to me, so she will probably react to my comment. Sorry, again, I got to click save button last night, so my suggestion for a 2-week course wasn't visible this morning. I would also add here, I am recording a short tutorial right now. If you can start typing. So I'm about to record possibility of Google Docs as means for collaborative I keep shifting my keyboard between American and my own. So now I click reply and this will be visible to Ivona. So we will wait for a couple of seconds to see whether she would respond to my suggestion. Maybe she just scrolled down reading the rest of the text, because I had some comments a little bit lower in the document. Okay, let's see, maybe. No, I had a lot of things. These are all from... Oh, it's important, so where you write any comments or suggestions, there is always the time and the date, which actually makes it possible to... we see that she's reading now because this block is slightly more visible. So maybe she would be able to respond. While we are waiting for Ivona to respond, another great feature of this is, so here we have this information, see new changes. The good thing about this tool is that it saves automatically everything that is done in the document, and it also save changes. So as you can see changes since you last viewed the document. So I'm going to click on this and it says see full history. So we see here who made changes, how many edits were there, and we scroll. So these different colors show who actually made the changes. Green ones belong to Ivona, purple ones belong, she also has suggestions of these photos and flags as our logo. We were discussing that. Then here we were working together on these objectives of the course. She actually created them. I suggested when we were talking together, we decide on the topics that we are going to work on, and we together wrote. When I hover over this green area, I see Ivona Philip, her name. If I hover here, I see my email name, and here are a lot of changes in different colors, so we can see Branka is still not, haven't written anything here, and I'm going out of this. Okay, so I can also see when changes were made, and then I'm going out of these changes and going back to this. Let's see if Ivona started writing something. Where is her cursor? Here. Not yet. Maybe she is just reading or planning the content. While we are waiting for her contribution, perhaps, we also see information who made the last edit, and this means open comment history. So when you click on this, you open everything which was happening in the previous days since the beginning, which has been happening since the beginning of the document, since the opening of the document. So sometimes we can also delete this. We can also click on when we deal with something, we can, for example, show less, show more. And at one point, when we click on something, we can get demonstrate how comment area works. So I have here reply if I want to do it. I'm not going to do it, so it's not necessary. I'm going to discard the comment. Another thing which is also important, it says public on the web. Anyone on the internet with the link can open. So even though everyone seems quite a large crowd, but when we click on share, that's the button we use when we start the document. Anyone can start, but that person who started the document is the owner, and only that person can share the links. So if I click on this, this is something that we have already done. So I then type here the email addresses. I'm going to type here, just to see it, my other home address, which I don't use very often. I'm not going to do it anymore, to add it here, just to see it. And I decide not to. I'm going to, no, these are some of the participants from another project I'm working. Okay, now, sorry, I can click on this, copy the link, and transfer it wherever I need it. I'm going back. So the important thing here is that when you add people that you want to share a document with, you have three possibilities regarding their roles. So you can be a viewer, commenter, or editor. Viewer is just someone who actually sees and reads a document, and the only thing you can write comment in the mail, and you cannot do anything else. Commenter is allowed to write those comments on the side, highlight the part of the text, and write the comment. And editor is the one who can make significant changes in the text if he or she wants. Or if I want, I can remove. Since I'm not the owner of this document, it's Ivona. So in order not to create problem for myself, I'm not going to remove myself, though I have the possibility. And Ivona can also do that any moment she wants. So now I'm going to close this box and go back to this, and let's look for Ivona's cursor. She's not okay. Where is her cursor? She is not visible at the moment. Her circle is a little bit paler than it was at the beginning, so maybe she doesn't have time to work on this document and she stopped being here. We would otherwise see that little cursor in the same color as her initial here. So as she's not here anymore, and this tutorial which was supposed to be a very short one, actually is almost 15 minutes long, so I'm going to stop recording. I hope this